Hello and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Everyone was thrown for a loop during the hearing of the Ripple vs. SEC class certification case. Judge Phyllis J. Hamilton of the United States District Court for the District of Columbia has been asked to certify the classes of certain investors who have accused Ripple of conducting unregistered securities offers. With the help of Bitpanda, Raiffeisenbank will soon be able to provide XRP investment options to their customers. In addition, XRP burns have successfully removed over 11 million tokens from circulation, while garnering less attention than they deserve from the community. To what extent, though, do these fires actually work? Finally, after a lawyer's anonymous explanation, could the case between Coinbase and the SEC proceed more quickly than the case between Ripple and the regulators? To find out the rest, read on to the conclusion. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss recent developments in the world of XRP and other cryptocurrencies. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to everybody who is checking out one of our videos for the first time. You can prevent missing any videos by turning on notifications. Here's a heads up that there's a 200 XRP giveaway on this channel you might want to check out. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment using the hashtag #XRP before April 30 to be entered to win. According to Law 360, a subscription-based legal news service, U.S. District Judge Phyllis J. Hamilton is considering whether to certify the classes of selected investors who accuse Ripple of engaging in unregistered securities offerings after the class certification hearing in the Saginaw vs. Ripple lawsuit on April 26 th. As Judge Hamilton pointed out, the question of whether or not XRP qualifies as a registered security is novel. For Judge Hamilton, when it comes to whether or not certain cryptocurrencies constitute unregistered securities, the Ninth Circuit has not made it clear whether or not courts can certify classes of investors that are at odds. The judge agreed that the question of whether to certify such a class is probably uncharted legal territory. At a recent judicial conference hosted by California's Northern District, she shared her story. Attendees were left scratching their heads after the conclusion of the conference, which featured a panel on Bitcoin securities litigation. The judge commented that it appeared the panel was just as befuddled at its conclusion as it had been at its beginning. Judge Hamilton, however, thinks that whether or not crypto is a security relies on the motivations of the investor. At yesterday's hearing, Judge Hamilton weighed in on a motion to certify a class of all XRP holders who bought, sold, and held the sixth largest cryptocurrency at a loss. The complainants state that Ripple Labs conducted an unregistered initial coin offering ICO for XRP without first obtaining the necessary permission from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Complainants further claimed that Ripple engaged in misleading practices in order to maximize profits from the XRP price gain, claiming that the blockchain company had manufactured 100 billion tokens out of thin air during an ongoing initial coin offering that began in 2012. The plaintiff filed a motion asking the court to certify a nationwide class of XRP holders who purchased the cryptocurrency from 2017 to the present and suffered damages, as well as a subclass of California residents who fall into this category. When asking the judge to certify the class, plaintiff's counsel Nicholas N. Spear of Sussman Godfrey LLP argued that damages can be determined by deducting losses from the original purchase prices. The lawyer stated that it doesn't matter if certain XRP holders class crypto as a security. He continues by saying that XRP is already classified as a security by the SEC and that class members who disagree with the suit's premise are free to withdraw. Attorney Andrew Michelson of King & Spalding LLP, who is representing the defendants, disagrees and claims the litigation is overbroad since it does not differentiate between those who bought XRP directly from Ripple and those who bought it on secondary marketplaces. 3 possible class members have submitted affidavits in the SEC vs. Ripple litigation attesting to the stance that thousands of XRP investors disagree with the concept of the class. Not every problem has a out option. Michelson argued that this wasn't enough when the numbers were so high. The defense attorney raised the question of whether the investor bought XRP for use in international trade or for short-term gain and day trading. Members of the XRP community also shared their thoughts on the class certification hearing. John Deaton, founder of crypto law firm, sounded dissatisfied with the case's progress when he sought permission to submit an amicus brief on behalf of more than 75,000 XRP holders. In all my years of practicing law, I've never been more frustrated than I am right now while watching this Zoom hearing, Deaton stated. Deaton became agitated that his defense attorney was unable to answer the questions and address the difficulties made by Judge Hamilton because of his lack of knowledge of XRP. If you want to be the first to know what's going on with XRP, RLB, and OVG, then subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. In an effort to be the first traditional bank in the EU to offer its customers the possibility to invest in digital currencies like Bitcoin, XRP, Shiba Inu, and others, an Austrian regional bank that is a part of the Raiffeisen banking group is hoping to make history. By incorporating Bitpanda Technology Solutions, which offers institutions an investment-as-a-service option, the regional bank intends to give its customers the chance to invest in Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and XRP. Bitpanda now offers over 2,500 assets in 5 asset classes, including cryptocurrency stocks, exchange-traded funds ETF, metals, and commodities. In a recent blog post, Bitpanda revealed plans to team up with another company. RLB Innovation highlighted the significance of the relationship in an official statement and said that it has signed a letter of intent. The financial institution has announced that it is currently evaluating the viability and particulars of the partnership with Bitpanda, with results expected by the end of the year. More than 270,000 illustrious businesses, institutions, and individuals in Lower Austria and Vienna are RLB Innovation's customers. As a result, this is fantastic news for XRP as it has the potential to increase demand for the token, boost the interest rate and demand dramatically. Traditional banking institutions are increasingly following this lead and adding support for digital assets to their services. PostFinance, a major Swiss bank, teamed up with Sygnum Bank earlier this month to offer cryptocurrency investments to its customers. Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, and Citigroup are just some of the major banks that have made crypto investments. To name just a few, Bitpanda Technology Services collaborates with Mambu, a German cloud banking platform, UK fintech, Plum, an Italian neobank, and the German digital bank in 26. In addition, since its inception, the XRP ledger has witnessed the destruction of nearly 11 million XRP tokens. The XRP burn mechanism has been discussed less than that of other assets, and there is disagreement about whether or not it can significantly increase XRP's value in the future. The XRP scan information. According to the XRP Ledger Explorer, the network has expended a total of 11.4 million XRP. This sum has been amassed due to the blockchain's unpredictable burn rate, which causes a small amount of XRP to be lost when each ledger transaction is finalized. The community of a network or a project may use a burn mechanism to cause the value of an asset to decrease. This is because supply constraints tend to support price increases. The XRP burn mechanism is not designed to prop up the value of the asset per se, but rather to combat spam transactions. The network accomplishes this by adding a small fee to every XRP exchange and then destroying those funds. However, the network is designed in such a way that the amount of XRP burn decreases as the asset's value rises. In response to a tweet this month questioning how long it would take to burn the maximum amount of 100 billion XRP, David Schwartz, CTO of Ripple, acknowledged as much. Schwartz has remarked that he does not think the XRP supply will be depleted at any point in the foreseeable future. He emphasized that the value of XRP rises as supply falls, but that the burn rate will fall in tandem. It will take at least 70,000 years at the present burn rate to destroy all existing XRP tokens, according to published data on the XRP Ledger website. It is mentioned in the XRP docs that the token is slightly deflationary due to this burn mechanism. The supply of a deflationary asset declines or is finite. Although the original intention of XRP burns was to reduce spam transactions, the fact that no new XRP tokens can be created through the mechanism makes it a deflationary asset. As a result, some have argued that the burn mechanism should inherently back up the value of XRP. The host of a 24-hour crypto-themed YouTube channel shares this view. He recently speculated that, if volume increases, the XRP burn rate could reach 10,000 tokens daily. There are those who say the present burn rate of XRP is insufficient to support the asset's valuation, while others argue the opposite. Instead, many believers attribute XRP's price growth to the widespread adoption of the cryptocurrency. As the burn rate rises, it is unclear what effect a larger supply of XRP would have. In the meantime, the price of XRP has dropped to 47 cents, a decrease of 1.21% over the past day. Here is today's most pressing inquiry. Is the SEC's case against Ripple more pressing than the one against Coinbase? If you want to be among the first to know about any new XRP-related developments, make sure you subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Pseudonymous lawyer Meta Man tweeted yesterday that the case between Coinbase and the SEC, which was filed lately, will progress more quickly than the Ripple case. The attorney claims that unlike the Ripple case, the Coinbase complaint would be resolved quickly because it was brought before the Court of Appeals rather than the lower district court. Since the majority of the trial court's procedures, including the discovery stage including depositions and document exchanges, will be skipped, the Coinbase versus SEC case will move more quickly. The discovery phase of a litigation is when the parties formally exchange information regarding the witnesses and evidence they want to present in court. According to the Metal attorney, the Coinbase versus SEC case will just require briefing and a hearing. The main San Francisco-based exchange filed a lawsuit against the SEC to get a response to its petition for rulemaking that is particular to digital assets, as reported earlier by the Crypto Basics. Note that on December 21, 2020, a trial court will hear the SEC versus Ripple litigation. On March 3, 2021, the SEC filed charges against Ripple and two of its executives, Bradley Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen, accusing them of raising $1.3 billion through the sale of unregistered securities in the form of XRP. In an official statement, Ripple and its management addressed the SEC's charges, claiming that the regulator did not provide adequate notice that XRP was illegally trading as a security. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts have been waiting for a verdict from Judge Analisa Torres in this case for nearly 2 years. No one knows when the litigation will end, but it's likely to be resolved shortly. Judge Torres is expected to issue a ruling on the matter sometime in the first half of 2023, according to top Ripple executives like Garlinghouse. Meanwhile, crypto law pioneer attorney John Deaton predicts that the judge's ruling could come as soon as May 6th, based on his belief that Coinbase will have a stronger fair notice defense than Ripple. Guys, this video has reached its conclusion. If you found it entertaining, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Don't leave without subscribing and activating the bell. See you in the next video. Bye.